Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Taking a quick look here at SEI. I believe this is a request from one of my community members here. Who was it? It wasn't Mac, that was SUI. Who asked for SEI? I know I saw it in here somewhere. Can you guys see it? Oh, right there. Jimmerly. Thank you, Jimmerly. Appreciate the request. Also, thank you as well for the awesome feedback from my community here. We took some sweet profits the last 24 hours. XRP 44%, OGN 143, Polkadot 78, Comp 253, Litecoin 65, SHIB 174, Solana 82, Crow 46% in the last 24 hours. So, excuse me, it's been a very, very good last couple of days for us here. So what are we looking at here? Is SEI worth taking long or short? We can kind of see this little lower high, lower low pattern we're seeing so far. Not looking fantastic. Obviously depends on how you draw it out. This is more like candle wicks, but if we go with candle body, you can kind of see that we've got somewhat of a descending trend here, right? A lot of times these can break to the upside, so keep that in mind. But once more, there's other confirming factors we want to pay attention to before we just take an arbitrary long. Again, it's arbitrary if you don't really look at everything. This is just the daily time frame. Never take a trade on just one time frame. Having said that, we're getting closer to 50 in the RSI. Not looking great. MFI is dropping. Stochastic RSI swinging down. Of course, that makes sense. Bitcoin's been pulling back for 24 hours, and SEI is as well. So all these things are moderately bearish, except for the fact that we're still tentatively over 20 on the moving average rather. This is a 20-day SMA. So if we close below like 85 cents, I would say there's a decent chance we could see further downside. Not only closing below this local fib level, but also that shift in momentum. Okay, again, being below the 50-day SMA is kind of just an indication that the price action's losing that bullish trend support. Really all it boils down to. Does it mean the price is going to drop like a rock? No, it just implies there's less support than there should be. Again, daily time frame looks moderately bearish. Same thing here with the 4-hour time frame, where we're below 3 out of 4 moving averages. The 200 is traveling behind about 76 cents. Rough estimate of about 8% correction there. So honestly, if you're going to consider a short, I would make sure you take profit before we hit that level. Just generally speaking, the 200 SMA in the 4 hours fairly strong. We got an MACD FU as well in the 4-hour. We got stochastic RSI swinging down, traditional RSI and money flow index underneath 50. These are all bearish signs, folks. That in conjunction with the fact that our volume profile is holding as a resistance here at about 90 cents tells me that we have further consideration for a downside. Take a look at the hourly. Let's just quickly confirm if we're under the cloud. I would say green light for shorts, which is kind of weird to say because it's kind of a bullish market right now. But we've got about 3 hours of continuation underneath the cloud. So well, this isn't like a fully confirming factor here. Conversion lines above the baseline, so we got a bit of a conflicting information here. We're below the cloud though, and everything else is showing that the price action wants to continue lower. If Bitcoin doesn't pull its head successfully from its rear end, we're going to probably see SEI drop even further. So my speculation is that SEI will drop regardless, because if you look at this behavior of Bitcoin to SEI, sorry, not SUI, Bitcoin to SUI. If you look at that straight up and then down, we went up, sideways, down, up, down, left, right. Generally speaking, this coin is having difficulty breaking this range, and it looks like it's establishing lower highs and lower lows as we speak. So me personally, I don't think that we're in a situation to see this coin flourish. I think it's probably more likely to drop. So I would say, leaning more towards short, which is a strange thing to say in this market right now, but generally speaking, it's common for some coins, just not all. And this is one of those coins that's looking pretty bearish. So I would recommend be careful with the long. If you can take it short, make sure you take profit closer to 80 cents even, maybe 81 cents. Don't go too far down because, again, that 200-day SMA is trailing behind. Okay. Hopefully that was helpful. Last thing but not least, they are adding SEI to this exchange, Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. Link down below. To use my link to register, you get $5,500 in benefit rewards. I only recommend them because of no KYC or VPN requirements in the US and Canada, other countries too. So if you're in the States or whatever, this is the best option you have. Coincidentally, they are the best exchange that I've ever used. So win-win, right? So check them out. They'll have a trading competition next week as well for our community. Anyone who used my links to register will effectively qualify for that. That's a $10,000 prize pool. I think it's going to be a 2-week competition. More to come. I'm going to get that information out here shortly. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.